Stevens will split. Finds Hiltz. Skip pass. Good stick in the lane by Caneva. It'll be picked up by Alex Simmons on the far side. Finn Thompson takes a good hit there. Again, Caneva. Stevens skips it. Hiltz fakes it. Keeps it. Bounce shot. Try to go around the screen. And he put it off target. 31 to go here on the shot clock. Sam English inside, doesn't connect, loose ball. Thompson couldn't find it. Sam English chases near center, keep alive. And we'll pick up and look to run on Rekabarian. Hiltz rolls, nice move. Owen Hiltz inside feed Simmons, won't pull it. With 5 on the shot clock, now they're going to have to get a shot off inside. Stevens, good slide help defense. That was Nicholas Hovakimian causing the havoc inside, not allowing that shot to get off. Good defensive set from Argentina.
Yeah, 100%. And, Team Canada, obviously you're really reaching here, but there were a couple things they wanted to do better in their victory over the Virgin Islands. One of those things was accuracy. So they missed a lot of shots they would have liked to have had. There's certainly going to be that sentiment here in the first half. On that possession, good defense, yeah, but also a couple missed opportunities right there on the doorstep. Got to go clean those up by Sunday.
Canadians just maybe trying to be a little too fine with their shots, but will continue to shoot at Connor Hollison. Double team comes quickly. Fraser will rotate back through. Nice Aoife head there by Levi Virch. Has a man in the middle. It's Aaron Taguri. He'll give it off to Simmons. To Thompson, shot wide, backed up by Hiltz. 9:27 to go here in the second quarter. Canada 9-0 the lead. Haven't scored here in the second, so some positivity for the Argentinian team here in Kingston, Jamaica. Second game of 4 here as we look to wrap up pool play from the 2026 Pan American Lacrosse Championship. Using this as a continental qualifier for the 2027 Division I and Division II World Championship. Top 5 teams will go to Tokyo, and the bottom 4 teams will play in the Division II Championships, which will most likely be in Poland. I don't think it's officially been announced quite yet, but all these teams will advance to the next level and continue to play to chance to improve their world rankings.
Yeah, or get one anyway. So all 9 teams in this Pan American region, which is a testament to the quality of play here, are qualifying for the World Championships in some capacity. The prestigious event is in Tokyo.
Here's Malcolm to Hiltz. Flashing through was McConvey. Simmons will shoot, hit a body in front. Good soak there by Karugati. Good eat and don't rub it. And now Rekabarian under some heavy duress on the sideline. And then he'll lose possession out of his stick. Good job there by Will Malcolm to turn it over for Canada. So the Canadians will set things up again. Already have this one in complete control. Dances around the crease line and puts it past Hollison.
In and out of the stick, in and out of the net. This is exactly what Coach Gary Gigg and his squad wants to see from his teams, building that chemistry on this international stage. Just about every goal has been assisted, especially here in the second quarter.
And they really are just playing free, open lacrosse. Nothing really orchestrated or set here for the Canadians. Don't want to show too much to the Americans heading into the gold medal game. And I'm sure the Americans will probably do the same when they play tonight against Colombia. Oh, and Ty Banks taking a rare draw, tried to go quick, and Karagati. Check, that was 23, Nico Reed, who gave him a little poke and say, hey, I got one. And now here comes Canada. Simmons with a high shot, good save, Hollison. And then picked off by Thompson, and he buries it. Hollison's like, yep, my bad. That one's on me. And then he gives a fist pump to his opposite number 11, say, hey, you're welcome for the assist. But that's the second time this tournament that Finn Thompson has picked off a pass from a goaltender and scored.
I was going to say, it's a testament to his level of play. Finn Thompson, he's just so aware, good lacrosse IQ, and just cognizant of things like that, knowing that Argentina's probably going to try to go fast, comes out of nowhere.
No, so the way
Great gust of wind blowing through, and everybody here in the Tiger cage looked around to see what was falling.
Yeah, as long as it's not the cage, we'll be all right.
Here's Sam English. Very unique perspective from our broadcast booth, looking through the scaffolding that our cameras are on to bring you these beautiful pictures from Kingston. Backdrop of Long Mountain. Some incredible housing up on top. It's off of Powell, Jamaican legendary sprinter. Lives up in the hills, as does someone named Usain Bolt. Might have heard of him.
That Team Canada yesterday took that big team photo with Usain Bolt all doing the iconic pose.
Not the actual Usain Bolt, just so we're clear. The statue that's here on the grounds of the National Development Facility. Here's Jake Stevens, skip past Hiltz. Right back to Stevens, who followed his pass. And almost similar to the Hiltz goal from a moment ago. But this time, Stevens couldn't find the target. 25 on the shot clock for Canada. A little flip inside. Bounce shot, Ty English. And that is a beautiful two-man goal from Canada.
And they're just pouring it on here. You know, he's burned the first 40, 45 seconds of the shot clock, just kind of working it around, and then starting to activate here with 30. Yeah, he gets a really deceptive pass from Owen Hiltz. And Ty English is the one who's the beneficiary of it. And just able to drop his hands. You know, that's just adapting to what the defense gives you, so plenty of room down low. That's where he takes it.
We talked about Hiltz's ability to shoot quickly with his release. His hands are so good. He's such an adept passer. He really is a pass-first player. And that was a perfect example of his skill set as he finds Ty English flashing through. He gets his sixth of the tournament. Check that, his second of the tournament. Older brother Sam has 6, including one today. At the face-off dot. Reed won the clamp. Can he find the loose ball? Battling for it is Will Malcolm. Now he's going to have to move it up ahead quickly. Finds Graydon Hogg. Canada changing up the attack line. It's Ty English, Jake Stephen on the far side, Sam English. And they'll run a midfield group of Simmert, Hogg, and Malcolm.
Yeah. I stopped like around the age of 10, but I started playing lacrosse like
English, Stevens, English. Hogg, Simmert. He'll split off the Malcolm screen, try to work inside. Dances through a couple defenders. Gives it off to Graydon Hogg on his far side. Malcolm. Ty English on the far wing. Sorry, Sam English. Now Malcolm. Back to English. Couldn't handle the pass. It'll fall to Hogg. He bobbled it. Loose ball. Caneva trying to find it. 23 on the shot clock here for the Canadians. Jake Stevens sweeps through. Tried to find Simmert. Pass behind him. Hit the referee. Stays in play. Unlucky bounce there for Argentina. That ball was probably going to go out of bounds.
Yeah.
And then the pass inside. What a handle by Ty English. Just threw his stick up in the air and it magically found the pocket. He's got 2 in quick succession. There's 4:42 left. We will head to a hydration break. Canada cruising with sights on gold here in Kingston. Just temper the 33-degree temperature as Argentina will go to work on the EMO. Cisco Williams skips it up. Issa Caneva high and hard. And he had Lucas Fraser coming to challenge him. Long pole on long pole. Good match of sticks and good look for there from Caneva. Williams. Pass knocked down by the defense of Ty Banks. Banks has a man up the middle. It's Wyatt Wiggins. He won't force it. Now we'll look for an easier clear. Give it off to Aaron Taguri. And then Sam English across center. Little popcorn pass near side Levi Anderson.
Too good. You know, everybody Ty Banks is the one who gets the takeaway, and 3 passes later, it's in your own zone. And it's just the difference in talent between these two teams, frankly, especially with Team Canada, the number 2 team in the world by a lot. They knocked off the number 3 team in the world by 12 goals on Wednesday. So
here's Graydon Hogg carrying near side. We'll give it off to Anderson. Behind the cage, Ty English. Now up the far side with brother Sam. Top center 25 is, check that, 26, Alexi Simmert. To say, there's no way they're letting Ty Banks play short stick. He can, but they won't let him. But Simmert's got one here today, his first of the tournament.